So yun, what's up mga ka-TBF? New day!
New build.
Kalapit ni Sir ha. Ano Sir da? Anong gagawin niya pala natin? Nandito tayo ngayon sa?
Ngayon nandito tayo sa Cainta. Nag-conduct tayo ng popular visit kasi yung client natin merong ipapa-repair sa bahay nila. Sa apartment pala. So, tignan lang natin.
So hindi na namin papahamahin pa. Let's go! Samahin sa amin!
When you're building high or wide, TBF's here right by your
Tapos
side.
pinturahan.
For every brick and every beam,
Tapos sa loob.
we're the
Tapos ang
team
ginagamit
you
natin
can
dyan is
trust.
yung-
Make your dream. TBF Quadrants, a reliable source to construct with pride. From start to the force, building the future, steady and strong. TBF Quadrants, where you belong. Quality and care through every phase. TBF leads in so many ways. Materials you need, solutions so sound. With TBF, your success is bound. TBF Quadrants, a reliable source to construct with pride. From start to the force, building the future, steady and strong. TBF Quadrants, where you belong. TBF Quadrants, we build it right. From dawn's first light to the stars at night. Your partner in building, you know the score. TBF Quadrants, forevermore.
Opo, sa dito ma'am, yun lang ang problema dito. Pwedeng sa tubo lang siya, nag-crack or may nag-gap yung dugtungan. Or yung pinaka-drain natin.
Nasa init-lamig niya.
Katagalan na din ma'am. Yung murupok siya eh.
Forevermore.
May kasama yung nag-aayos muna.
Tara.
Okay na. Outro na Sir.
Tingnan natin ano.
Nagtatanungan pa kung sino mag-outro. So yun, napuntahan na natin yung dapat natin matignan, no, Sir? Pero hindi pa naman lahat yun, no, Sir?
So ngayon, tinignan natin, ang problema is puro leak lang naman eh. Repaint, waterproof, so leakage. Madali lang naman. Puro repair lang.
So, hanggang sa muli!
Paalam!